The second commandment says, "Do not take the Lord's name in vain." But this isn't about just avoiding bad words, it's about honoring what's sacred. I used to say, "Oh my God," all the time, whether I was excited, angry, or just surprised. I never thought about it twice, but one day my grandmother gently reminded me God's name isn't just a word, it holds power and meaning. I remember once when life felt overwhelming, I whispered, "God, help me." It wasn't in vain, it was a cry for strength. And in that moment, I felt peace. That's the power behind His name. Respecting God's name means respecting what it stands for: faith, compassion, and hope. Let's choose to honor that in our words and our actions.